Shopping for a pellet grill in 2026 and drowning in options? Every brand swears theirs is the best, and half the top 10 lists out there are just paid placements. Not this one. We ranked the 10 best pellet grills of the year on 4 things that actually matter: features, build quality, performance, and value, with no sponsorships. Stick with me for a few minutes, and you'll know exactly which one belongs on your patio and which ones to skip. We're counting down from number 10 to our best overall pick. Let's get into it. First, how we ranked these. 4 things mattered. Features: Wi-Fi, hopper size, the little touches you use every cook. Build quality, the gauge of the steel and how it shrugs off weather. Performance, how evenly and how hot it holds temperature across the whole grate. And value for cost, what you actually get for the money. No sponsorships, no shortcuts. Every grill here earned its spot. Let's kick things off at number 10, the Z-Grill's Pioneer 450B. In a world obsessed with Wi-Fi and touchscreens, this one strips all of that away and bets everything on one thing: rock-steady heat at a rock-bottom price. It's our bare-bones budget pick, and for plenty of folks, that's exactly the right call. You get 459 square inches, enough for about 15 burgers, or a couple racks of ribs for a weeknight cookout, a 15-pound hopper, and a range up to 450. No app, no Bluetooth, none of it. What it does have is a genuinely accurate PID controller, so the temperature holds steady instead of swinging all over the place like the cheap grills of years past. It's one of the lowest priced grills on this entire list. If you cook by feel and don't care about your phone, this is all the grill you need. Owners are blunt about what this is. Most praise it for holding temperature far better than the price suggests. The common gripe? No app, no frills. What you see is what you get. And a lot of folks note that's the whole point. Pure cooking, with nothing digital to fail. Number 9 goes to the most futuristic grill here, the Brisket Origin 580. The hardware is ordinary. The software is anything but. This is our pick for the smartest grill on the list, and it's aimed squarely at the nervous first-timer. 580 square inches, call it 18 burgers or a couple of pork butts at once. A 22-pound hopper, up to 500 degrees, standard stuff. The magic is the InnoGrill AI. It watches your cook and adjusts on its own. Forget to wrap the brisket during the stall? It compensates so the meat doesn't dry out. Get a flame out in heavy wind? It relights itself. It's priced for beginners, and honestly, it takes the fear out of a 12-hour cook. The catch: without that app, it's just an average grill. Owners who lean into the AI love it. More than a few credit it with rescuing a brisket they'd have ruined on their own. The common gripe is that there's nothing special about it once you put the phone down. But for first-timers, people agree it quietly erases the learning curve. At number 8, something genuinely new: the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Yes, indoor. This is the one that finally brings real wood smoke into an apartment kitchen, and that makes it our best pick for anyone with no yard at all. It's tiny, about 290 square inches across 3 racks, room for a couple racks of ribs or a small pork shoulder, and it burns just a couple cups of pellets a cook. Here's the trick. A catalytic converter scrubs the smoke before it ever leaves the unit, so it bathes your food in real wood flavor and then vents nothing but warm, clean air. The trade-offs are real though. Capacity is small, big cuts need heavy trimming, and it caps out at 300 degrees, low and slow only, no searing. But for a condo or an apartment, nothing else comes close. This one surprises people. The praise is almost disbelief. Real smoke flavor, indoors, with no haze. The common gripe is the tight fit. Larger briskets need trimming to squeeze in. And owners are quick to note it only smokes low and slow, so don't expect to grill a steak on it. Number 7, the Traeger Ironwood XL. This is the brand's premium workhorse, and it earns its spot on insulation alone. If you cook through cold winters, keep listening. 924 square inches, around 30 burgers, or 6 racks of ribs in one load, a 20-pound hopper, up to 500 degrees. The headline is the double-walled stainless interior. It holds temperature dead steady when the wind is howling, and it sips far fewer pellets doing it. You also get Traeger's D2 direct drive auger that reverses to clear jams, plus a full-color touchscreen and dual probes. It's premium priced, and the grease keg doesn't take liners, so cleanup means some scraping. But for all-weather consistency, it's superb. Owners in cold climates rave about it. Steady temps, no matter what the weather throws at them. The price is the sticking point. This is a premium buy, and people feel it. And more than a few mention the cleanup takes a little elbow grease without a liner option. Halfway home, number 6 is the value shock of the list, the Pit Boss 850DX. It packs features that used to cost twice as much, and it's our budget smart pick. 840 square inches, close to 2 dozen burgers in a single go, a 21-pound hopper, and a real Wi-Fi and Bluetooth PID controller. You can dial in 5 degrees at a time, all for one of the lowest prices here. It's got Pit Boss's sliding flame broiler so you can slide the shield aside and sear right over the fire. The steel is a little lighter than the premium units and the app is basic, but for what you pay, the feature list is honestly hard to believe. The reaction is mostly amazement at the value. Smart features at a price that undercuts everyone. The honest gripe is that the build quality reflects the price. It's not a tank. But owners love that flame broiler for a quick sear when they need one. Top 5. Number 5. The RecTech Backyard Beast 1200. The name is not an exaggeration. If you cook for a crowd and want to sear like a steakhouse, this is your machine, and our best pick for big cooks. 1220 square inches, that's 9 pork butts or 126 wings at once. A 30-pound hopper gives you over 30 hours of cook time, and it climbs all the way to 700 degrees for true searing, thanks to a cast iron deflector. It's wrapped in 304 stainless to survive that heat. The downsides are simple physics. It's huge, and it drinks pellets on a long, slow cook. But the capacity and the heat are in a class of their own. Big batch cooks love it. Owners brag about feeding the whole block off one grill. The flip side is footprint and appetite. It needs space and it goes through pellets. People also single out the dual-band Wi-Fi for never dropping mid-cook. Number 4 is the heavyweight, the Yoder YS640s, hand-built in Kansas. This is competition-grade iron, and it's our pick for the buyer who wants a grill that outlives them. 1,070 square inches. Think 8 pork butts or 35 burgers at once on a cooking chamber made from 1/8-inch steel, and the thing weighs over 300 pounds. That mass is the whole point. It holds heat flawlessly even in sub-zero cold and barely touches its pellets doing it. It runs a Fireboard Wi-Fi controller, the gold standard for temperature tracking, plus an adjustable damper to shift heat side to side. It's expensive, and it is genuinely hard to move. But this is a decades-long machine, not a 5-year one. Owners talk about it like an heirloom, built like a tank and cooks like one. The honest note is the price. You pay dearly for all that steel. And in winter, people are amazed how little fuel it burns just to hold temperature. We're into the top 3. Number 3. The Traeger Woodridge Pro. This is the one I steer big families toward. Massive capacity, the most trusted app in the business, and a price that won't scare you off. 970 square inches across 2 racks. That's 2 whole holiday turkeys, or 30 burgers, so you can cook for a real crowd without blinking. It runs Traeger's Wi-Fi system, still the most stable, beginner-friendly app out there, plus a digital pellet sensor, so you never run dry mid-cook. Cleanup is its secret weapon. The Easy Clean Keg dumps grease and ash into one container you just lift out. It won't sear. It tops out at 500, but for reliable hands-off family cooking, it's hard to beat. Owners consistently praise the app. It simply works, every time. The recurring gripe is heat. It won't get hot enough for a proper sear. And a lot of people credit that pellet sensor with saving an overnight brisket from running dry. So close to the top. Number 2. The Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24. And this is the flavor champion of the whole list. If you've ever felt pellet smoke was a little too polite, this one's for you. 811 square inches, 5 racks of ribs or a couple dozen burgers, and a 22-pound hopper, sure. But the story is the smoke box. You load it with real wood chunks or charcoal, and the pellet fire below ignites them, layering that heavy stick burner flavor on top of automated convenience. A dial lets you set a smoke number from 1 to 10. And it takes the Sidekick attachment, a propane sear box that blasts to 700 degrees. The best toys cost extra, and the smoke box needs tending, but nothing here tastes better. Flavor obsessives adore it. Owners say it's the closest a pellet grill gets to a true stick burner. The fair gripe is that the best features, like the Sidekick, are paid add-ons. And once people start playing with that smoke dial, they can't stop. And our best overall pellet grill of 2026, the Weber Searwood 600. It isn't the biggest on this list, and it isn't the most expensive, and that's exactly why it wins. It does everything well and nothing poorly. 648 square inches, around 20 burgers, or a couple of whole chickens with room for sides. A 20-pound hopper, and here's the difference. It climbs to 600 degrees with a direct flame sear zone, so one machine smokes low and slow and sears a steak over open flame. Its Rapid React PID recovers temperature fast every time you lift the lid, and the Weber Connect app is among the best out there. Smoke boost layers on extra flavor at the start of a cook. It's mid-priced, it's versatile, and it nails the fundamentals. Best all-rounder of the year. Owners keep coming back to one word: balance. It sears and it smokes equally well, which most grills simply can't claim. Weber's earlier pellet models burned some trust, and a few people mention that hesitation. but the Searwood won them back. The Smoke Boost mode is the feature flavor fans rave about. There's the full board. The Weber Searwood 600 takes best overall, the grill that does it all. Camp Chef's Woodwind Pro is your flavor king. The Traeger Woodridge Pro is the family workhorse. And if you want a machine for life, the Yoder Yttrium Sulfide S is the one. On a budget, the Pit Boss 850DX and the Z Grills Pioneer punch way above their price. Whatever you pick, you're buying smart. That's the 10 best pellet grills of 2026. If this saved you from a bad buy, do me a favor, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop the grill you're running in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next one.